Hello traders, this is Dr. Zain Agha from zwinner.com. Here are my suggestions to trade the news during the week starting 18th of December until the 22nd of December 2023. But first, the disclaimer. Forex trading carries high risk. Do not trade with the money you cannot afford to lose. This is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor, therefore I will not be held responsible for any loss incurred. Please trade on a demo account first until you are confident. On Monday, the 18th of December, we have no news. On Tuesday, the 19th of December, at 1:30 p.m. London time, we have news coming out of Canada. It's the Consumer Price Index monthly, the median Consumer Price Index yearly, and the trimmed Consumer Price Index yearly. Now, the monthly one is expected to come out at minus 0.2% as against 1% previous. Now, if it comes out in a positive figure, say if it comes out at 0.3% or more, then you need to buy the Canadian dollar. If it comes out in a negative figure, just sell Canadian dollar. Now you have the median Consumer Price Index, the yearly one, expected to come out at 3.3% as against 3.6% previous. If it comes out at 4% or more, then you need to buy Canadian dollar. If it comes out less than 2.9%, then sell the Canadian dollar. And then you also have the trimmed CPI yearly one, expected to come out at 3.3% as against 3.5%. So if it comes out 4% or more, then you need to buy the Canadian dollar. If it comes out less than 3%, then you need to sell the Canadian dollar. But make sure there's no contradiction. If something comes out better, the other comes out worse. So do not trade, okay? The market will go up and down, and it's not worth trading it. Then on Wednesday, the 20th of December at 7 a.m. London time, we have the Consumer Price Index yearly one coming out of Great Britain. It's expected to be worse than previous at 4.3%, and the previous one was 4.6%. If it comes out at 5% or more, then you need to buy the British pound. If it comes out less than 4%, 3.9% or lower than that, then you need to sell the British pound. And then at 3 p.m. on the same day, Wednesday, the 20th of December, from the United States, we had the CB Consumer Confidence. It's expected at 101.1 as against 102 previous. If it comes out 105 or more, then you need to buy the US dollar. If it comes out less than 99, then sell the US dollar. Then on Thursday, the 21st of December at 1:30 p.m., we have the final GDP, Gross Domestic Product, quarterly coming out of USA. It's expected to be the same like last for 5.2%. If it comes out 5.5% or more, buy the US dollar. If it comes out less than 4.9%, sell the US dollar. Also at the same time, keep an eye on the unemployment claims. The unemployment claims are expected to be worse than previous. It's expected to come out at 250K as against 202K previous. If it comes out at 220K or more, then you need to sell the US dollar. If it comes out less than 198K, then you need to buy the US dollar. And if there's a contradiction between the two figures, then you better keep away. Now on Friday, the 22nd of December at 7 a.m. London time, you have the retail sales monthly figures coming out of United Kingdom, expected to be 0.5% as against minus 0.3%. So it's expected to be much, much better than previous. Now, if it comes out as 0.7% or more, then you need to buy the British pound. If it comes out in any minus figure, negative figure, sell the British pound. Then at 1:30 p.m., you have the two news, one from Canada, the other one from United States. From Canada, we have the gross domestic product monthly, expected to come out as 0.2% as against 0.1% previous. So if it comes out at 0.4% or more, then you need to buy the Canadian dollar. If it comes out in a negative figure, then you need to sell the Canadian dollar. And at the same time, from USA, we have the core PCE price index monthly coming out. It's expected to be the same as 0.2% and the previous when it was also 0.2%. Now, if it comes out 0.4% or more, then you need to buy the US dollar. If it comes out in a negative figure, then you need to sell the US dollar. Then at 3 p.m., we have the revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Now, it's expected to be 69.5 as against 69.4 previous. If it comes out 70 or more, then you need to buy the US dollar. And if it comes out less than 68, then you need to sell the US dollar. Now, other than that, we don't have any other news for this week. Hope you're going to make good money this week. And please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't so far. And we'll see you next week again. And please, in the meantime, do share this with your colleagues and your fellow traders. And I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.